Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Trevor from Point of Rental Software. Trevor, you know, we've had the CPA conference here today. You've been the main sponsor of the conference. Thank you for that. It's been a really big event. We're talking about lots of different challenges in the industry.
Yes.
But tell us, what are the things that Point of Rental are trying to do to support the industry and the customers get the best out of this industry?
Sure. That's a really good question. And the key thing for us being here today and being a headline sponsor is what our software does really well and why it's so widely adopted within the industry is it's very good at solving problems and challenges that hire businesses face.
Okay.
So hearing about the problems today, it really kind of helps us to understand why those problems exist, you know, get a real sort of deep understanding of the cause of those problems, see what our software can help with those going forward. So we're always developing our software to speak to those challenges that companies face. And we've got a lot of innovative things that we're working on right now that I believe, having heard what I've heard today, will address some of the challenges these companies are facing.
So Trevor, right, I'm going to ask you some of those questions that I like to ask, which is the reveal of some of the things you're doing. But first of all, you know, the software, we now know that people want to have access to all the information they need.
Yes.
You know, so the customers do, the hirers do. And we've talked about fleet changes across the industry as people look about where the profit margins are, where the demand is, and especially as we're going to changing times at the moment.
Absolutely.
You know, that information and having insights is what I'm hearing from everyone. What does the software do to help people understand these sort of challenges?
Yeah, absolutely. So we launched a new tool earlier this year. It's a business analytics tool.
Yep.
So with all the information that our database is capturing, it allows really detailed, really granular reporting on the performance of your assets, whether it be at category level or individual asset level.
Yep.
From that, you can get a really good, accurate detail on return on investment, utilization. So it really empowers businesses off the back of that information to make data-driven business decisions in terms of how they move forward, what kit to invest in, what kit perhaps isn't performing as well as they need it to, differences between different manufacturers of equipment, you know, are they having more or greater maintenance costs on one brand over another?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So realistically, we've got all of that information, all those insights to hand. And I think what that helps us do is it helps us be more efficient, helps us be more productive, and fundamentally helps us keep those margins that we need to maintain a business in challenging times and in the future. So great to meet you, Trevor.
Yeah, likewise. Thank you.
Thanks.